Hi there. How are you? I hope you're doing fine. Look, today we are going to play with some veggies. Look at some veggies. Oh, this is an egg, an omelette. Let's put egg and omelette over here. Oh, egg is over here. You see this? This is an egg. Yeah, we put this over here. This is a chopping board. This is a chopping board. Let's put chopping board here. Okay. Do you know what this veggie is? Yes. This is a pepper. Right? This is a pepper. Let's put pepper over here. No, let's put over here. Okay. What is this? Do you know what fruit is this? Oops. This is an apple. You are right. This is an apple. Let's put apple over here. Okay, the next one. What is this? This is a mushroom. Wow. This is an orange mushroom. Good job. Good job. Do you know what fruit is this? It's not a fruit, it's a veggie. It's a carrot. It's a carrot. Right? Good job. Let's put carrot over here and let's put mushroom over here. Yes. Do you know this one? What fruit is this? Can you guess? Good job. This is a watermelon. Have you ate watermelon before? Yes? Good job. Let's put watermelon right here. Let's put watermelon right there. Now, the next one is a pumpkin. Do you know what this is? This is a pumpkin, right? Good job. You know what this is. Let's put pumpkin over here. The next one. This is a broccoli. You like broccoli? Yes? Good job. This is very healthy, right? Okay, we are going to put broccoli over here. Right? Good job. Oh, this is a knife. Sharp. Do not touch knife. It's dangerous. This we are only gonna use to cut these vegetables and fruits. Okay, let's put it on the side here. Okay. What is this? Do you know what this is? This is a strawberry. Right? Good job. Let's put strawberry over here. Do you know what this is? I'm sure you have seen this before. Do you know what this is? Yes, good job. This is a tomato. Let's put tomato over here. Okay. This is the last one. I know you have ate this before. What is this? Do you know what this is? Can you guess? This is sausage. Good job. Okay. And do you know what this is? This is a basket, right? We go to grocery shopping like this. You've seen your mommy, right? Carry groceries. Good job. Let's put this on the side over here. Okay. Now we are going to chop some fruits and veggies. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Let's chop some carrots. Are you hungry? Are you? Yes. Good job. Let's cut some carrots. Let's cut some carrots. Ah, yay! Good job. Let's put the cut carrots inside the basket. Let's put it inside like this, okay? Okay. Next, let's cut some apples. Apple, right? A for apple. This is apple. Let's cut some apple. Apple is healthy. Yes. Go. Good job. We have an apple. Let's put apple in the basket right here. Good job. Let's cut now pepper. This is bell pepper. Bell pepper. It's green. Bell pepper is green, right? Let's cut some bell pepper. Good job. Look, we have a bell pepper. Bell pepper is green. Okay, we're going to put bell pepper here. Let's put bell pepper inside like this, right? Good job. Okay, now we are going to cut watermelon. You like watermelon, don't you, right? Do you? Oh yes, good job. Let's cut this watermelon. Delicious, yummy watermelon. It's like cocomelon, but this is watermelon. Ooh, look, red, so red. It's so red from inside. This is a watermelon. Let's put watermelon in the basket. Okay, 1, 2. Yes, good job. Now let's cut some pumpkin. So delicious. Yum yum. Okay, let's cut some pumpkins. Are you ready? On a count of 3, we cut this pumpkin. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cut the pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin has been cut. We cut the pumpkin. Pumpkin is orange. Wow, good job. You're enjoying this, don't you? Right? Yes, let's put this pumpkin here. So we have pumpkin, watermelon, bell pepper, right? What else? Let me see. Yeah, and this is apple. We have apple, right? Now we are going to cut some tomato. It is so red. Wow. And this is green. These are leaves, right? Okay, let's cut some tomato. Oh yes. Wow, look, there are so many seeds. These are seeds. Wow. Okay, let's put this tomato in the basket. Are you ready? Let's put it in the basket. Okay, they are cut well. You are really smart. Let's cut now some mushroom. This is orange mushroom. Let's cut orange mushroom. Cut. Ooh, orange mushroom is cut into 2 pieces. 1 piece, 2 piece. Wow. Let's put this mushroom in the basket. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Good job. Now we are going to cut some strawberries. You like strawberries, right? They're so delicious. Let's cut some strawberries. Okay, on a count of 3, we're going to cut the strawberries. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, strawberries flew so far. Let's bring it back. Okay, we have 2 pieces now. We cut the strawberry in half, right? Let's put strawberry in the basket, right? Good job. We have strawberries as well in the basket now. Now let's cut some broccoli. Wow, it's so healthy and so delicious. Broccolis are good for brain, right? Let's cut some broccoli. Are you ready? Yes, okay. Let's cut some broccoli now. We have 2 broccoli pieces now. We have 1 piece and 2 piece, right? Let's put broccoli in the basket as well. Are you ready? 1, 2. We have broccoli in the basket now. Now, let's see what we have here. Do you know what this is? Oh, we have 2 dishes. Wow. Even I didn't know there were 2 dishes. Let's put this one, egg, in the dish. And this bacon goes here too. Okay. Wow. Do you know what this is? This is an omelette. It's an omelette. It's an egg. You like egg? Do you know how this is made? You know this egg, when we crack like this is how it becomes. This is an egg. Yes. And this is, what is this? Do you know what this is? This is a sausage. It's delicious. Yummy. Let's put sausage inside here. Let's put this egg over here as well. Now we have this egg. We're going to put egg here. And finally the knife and the chopping board. Let's put that in the basket. Right? I hope you enjoyed this today's our play. Did you like our today's play? Yes? Good job. We learned so much stuff today. We learned how to cut vegetables. We learned about eggs. We learned about sausage. We learned about how eggs are made, right? And also we learned how to chop those vegetables. It was really nice talking to you. See you guys. Bye bye.